Hey there! Today we're going to be learning a few ways you can use Vaseline to glow up. This petroleum jelly brand is so much more than just a cheap moisturizer. You can quite literally transform your life with it. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss a single tip. Let's start. Moisturize dry skin. Dealing with dry skin? Just apply a thin layer of Vaseline to the most affected areas, such as your elbows, knees, and hands, to lock in moisture and leave the skin hydrated and supple. Soothe chapped lips. Cracked lips are annoying, but easily fixed. Just dab a small amount of Vaseline onto dry lips to hydrate them, prevent cracking, and restore softness. Heal cracked heels. Massage a generous layer of Vaseline onto clean, dry feet before bed, and cover with socks overnight for deep hydration and smoother heels. Tame unruly eyebrows. Smooth out a small amount of Vaseline onto your eyebrows using a spoolie or your fingers to shape and control stray eyebrows for an even look. DIY highlighter. Dab a small amount of Vaseline onto the high points of your cheekbones for a subtle, dewy highlight that gives your skin a natural glow. Prevent nail polish smudges. No one likes messy nails. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline around the edges of your nails before applying polish to easily clean up any mess and prevent smudges. Soften cuticles. Protect yourself from dry cuticles this winter. Massage Vaseline onto your cuticles daily to keep them soft, hydrated, and less prone to cracking. Remove eye makeup. No cleanser? No problem. Just apply a small amount of Vaseline to a cotton pad or your fingertip and gently rub over your eyelids to dissolve even waterproof makeup. Hair dye guard. No one wants messy dye. Apply Vaseline along your hairline, ears, and neck before your hair to prevent skin from staining. Prevent blisters from shoes. Rub a small amount of Vaseline onto the sides of your feet and your toes, the parts prone to friction, to reduce chafing and prevent blisters. Hand hydration. Coat your hands with a thick layer of Vaseline before bed and wear gloves over it. Sleep in this DIY hand mask to wake up with soft, hydrated hands. Exfoliating scrub. You don't need to spend lots of money on lip scrub. Just mix a pinch of sugar with a scoop of Vaseline. Gently scrub your lips with this to remove dead skin and leave them smooth. Glossy eyelids. Tap a small amount of Vaseline onto your eyelids over eyeshadow or on bare skin for a trendy, glossy effect. Winter skin guard. In the winter, apply Vaseline to exposed areas of your face like your nose, cheeks, and lips to create a protective barrier against cold winds and dryness. Seal split ends temporarily. Rub a tiny amount of Vaseline between your fingertips and smooth it over the ends of your hair to reduce frizz and seal split ends temporarily. This one isn't a permanent fix, but it looks good in the pictures, at least. Make perfume last longer. Tired of your perfume always running out? Before applying perfume, dab a little Vaseline onto pulse points, such as wrists and neck, to help the scent linger longer. Perfume bomb. Carrying a bulky perfume bottle isn't always practical. Instead, mix Vaseline with your favorite perfume and store it in a small container. This portable perfume balm is easy to apply on the go, while also moisturizing your skin. Collarbone highlighter. Apply a small amount of Vaseline onto your collarbones and shoulders for a radiant, highlighted effect. Smooth baby hairs. Rub a tiny amount of Vaseline between your hands and smooth it over flyaway hairs for a polished, frizz-free look. This way, when you apply edge control, it won't look too dry. DIY lip gloss. Mix Vaseline with a small amount of your favorite eyeshadow to create your very own custom lip gloss with the smoothest texture. Protect wounds during healing. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline over dry scabs to keep the area hydrated and shielded as it heals. Remember to clean the wound before you apply it. This will help keep your skin from scarring. Razor burn balm. Struggling with razor burns or dry skin after shaving? Apply a thin layer of Vaseline to your skin before shaving. It creates a protective barrier, helping the razor glide effortlessly, preventing nicks, and leaving your skin soft and deeply moisturized for a perfect silky smooth feel. Leather shine. Here's a cost-effective way to fix dusty shoes when you're out of shoe polish. Rub a small amount of Vaseline onto leather shoes, bags, or belts and buff it with a soft cloth for an instant shine. DIY makeup remover. Run out of micellar water and need to clean your makeup fast? No worries. Just apply some Vaseline onto a cotton pad and sweep it across your face. This hack effortlessly removes makeup, including waterproof products like primer and moisturizer. Earring moisture. Having issues wearing earrings after a long time going without? Just rub a small amount of Vaseline onto the pins before wearing them. It helps the earrings glide in easily, reducing discomfort and preventing irritation for a pain-free experience. Lip gloss transformer. Accidentally bought matte lipstick instead of gloss? No worries. You can turn it into a glossy look by layering a small amount of Vaseline on top. This adds shine and keeps your lips hydrated throughout the day, creating a luscious, plump look. Reduce the appearance of dry patches. Dealing with dry skin? Apply a generous amount of Vaseline to the most flaky parts of your skin to hydrate it, creating a healthier-looking surface. Soften rough elbows. Say goodbye to ashy elbows this winter. Massage a good amount of Vaseline onto your elbows daily to hydrate the skin and reduce roughness over time. Soften knees. Your knees deserve as much love as your elbows, don't they? Just as you did with your elbows, massage Vaseline onto your knees daily to keep the skin smooth and hydrated. Use as a base for body glitter. Dab a thin layer of Vaseline onto your skin before applying body glitter to keep it in place and reduce the amount of fallout. Use as a makeup primer in emergencies. What to do if primer runs out? Just apply a light layer of Vaseline over your face as a primer to smooth and prep your skin before makeup. Swim security. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline to your skin before going into a pool to create a barrier against the drying effects of chlorine. All your friends will be so jealous when you come out of the water looking as fabulous as before. Soothe sunburns. Dealing with sunburns after a long day at the beach. Apply Vaseline gently to sunburned skin to lock in moisture and promote healing while soothing discomfort. And next time, don't forget your sunscreen. Sleeping lip mask. Want plump and moist lips every day? Coat your lips with a thick layer of Vaseline before bed for intense overnight hydration and repair of cracked, dry lips. Makeup revival. What do you usually do when your cream eyeshadow or blush dries out? You throw it away, right? Well, you've been doing it all wrong. All you need to do is add a small amount of Vaseline to the product and mix it well to restore its creamy texture. This hack saves you money and gives your beauty products a hydration boost. Who could have guessed Vaseline has so many uses? You're probably running off to buy yourself a nice big jar of the stuff right now, and honestly, I don't blame you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next video.